Okay, I think the main reason is because nge-festive kuyaphithitela and bamfu they're more concerned about fun, but at the same time labanye batobe basekhaya bazama ukuphusha ama-projects abo, then thole ukuthi sowude isikhathi with your partner. Yeah, I think nje it's ngile busy lebakhona nge-festive. Yeah,
lokulimata ama-relationship kakhulu nyalo kule festive season ngilokuthi sibhizi kakhulu kunengi nale sibhizi ngawo mningi lama fun lakhona ama events lakhona.
Okay, from a point of view yami ngicabanga lokungaba usema relationship lamanengi ahliphike kwenteka lokho nalokho ngathi khathi lethi bantu bakhanza ba expect something enkumbi from my partners abo.
So now it's in a collect generation letanza team for, and that is much pressured by my PSF. So when you see a friend up at maybe iPhone, and then when you're going out like Bokoneni, Bokayeni, there all these cool guys with their big cars and all that. You see.
Ngile busy leningi ngoba nami nje umntwana maketela vele ngiyathemba sister uqabana vele ukuthi ndabe ngisebholeni uva ngazi ukuthi yena mina sengiye kuchita mina ngodlala ibhola yabo khanzi ngalinye acabanga 90 minutes zonke ngikho ngisegroundini yena abafisile ukukhuluma engcenye nesidungu ngaphela kude lo busy yabo lo busy ngilone njengamuntu webholeni noma lo egroovini maybe into abahleli bese uva ngazi ukuthi ke yabo sengide isikhathi sakhe kanti vele nginaso need ukuthi nami ngisuke ngiyonda ihobby
for bafunzi njengathi mina ngilokhuluma on behalf of my opinions. Bafunzi njengathi lokhanza ukuthi ufunza ngaphandle kwalelive uthi nakabuya akhanza umuntu wakhe sekana lo munye umuntu akhanza ukuthi umuntu wakhe akakhona ikubeketela kani akhe ma expectations akusiwe la sakakhanza yabona. So obviously ke kuno disrespect le kanjalo, so bound to break, relationships are bound not to work.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all our viewers, especially viewers of the program Straight Up. My name is Nokuphila Masangane. Happy festive season, happy holidays. Heading into a brand new year, you know, but we have certain important conversations that we need to sit down and have amongst ourselves as young people, as this is a youth show. And bringing you the show is Eswatini TV. We're super grateful for this platform as young people. And of course, my name is Nokuphila Masangane. Slogo sethu ke salomhla ehleni Straight Up, you know, sikhulumisa indzaba mhlambe lephathelene observation of how most relationships crumble during the festive season. Yes, siphila esikhathini in an era lapho khona dating has become an extreme sport, you know, but especially around this time of the year. How do we have fun? Because we expect ukuthi festive season kube isikhathi lapho khona abantu bahlangana, abantu baba nesikhathi lesimnanzi, relationship, family, or whatsoever kind of gathering or relationship that you are in. Isikhathi lapho khona sithi asijabule sibandla abasha abajabule abantu. Today we're talking about relationships, the complexity of relationships, and I have a young person joining me today. Ngumlomusha Uyamadi. He's a social media influencer. He's an MC/host. He's also an author. Uyabhala Pinze founder of what we call the Jumbo Festival, the Jumbo Lifestyle Festival and Awards. Jumbo Khumalo joins me today on Straight Up. Jumbo, how are you doing? Straight Up.
Ngubingelele sisi Nokuphila, ngibingelele nebantu labasha emakhaya. Yeah, Jumbo Khumalo ngisesemusha ngisengashadi. I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, super excited to have you today. Jumbo, sikhulumisa indaba my relationships, you know, kumnanzi ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi basiniketele lithuba lokuthi sihlale sibantu labasha sixoxe le date futhi indzaba sixoxe also, you know, over fire umlilo kuyekuthiwa indzawo lapho khona, you know, you're able to tell stories, especially, you know, indzawo lapho khona thina sibantu labamnyama sihlala phansi khona sitikekethe nathi sitikekethe sibashe, you know, relationships go through a lot, you know. You know, maybe according to you, your observation, what are some of the reasons why most relationships crumble? Singafiki festive season.
Well, mina ngeke observation yami ngicabanga ukuthi ema relationships are crumbliswa ngila ma expectations la ngekho met. you know bantfu na ungena emjolweni ungena emjolweni ukuthi u-expect ukuthi boyfriend wakho uthi akwentela naku and most of those expectations aba unspoken uyabona psychological nje u-expecta maybe through ngenxa yokuthi social media uphenda imijolo ukuthi ayibe kanjani so na ufika kulo mjolo awusho ukuthi what are your expectations then your boyfriend akawameet lama expectations because akawadi and then bese sewuyakhambisha kumjolo you see labanye ba expecta ukuthi kufuna boyfriend wakho akuphi imali or lo sisi kufuna cherry kufuna abe afake bo frontali kanzi kufuna ngawo umthengele so lama expectations la ngekho spoken sihlale phansi sikhulume ukuthi I mean this is what I expect and kufuna ametheke ngicabanga ukuthi ngikho lo bese sokwenda ukuthi umjolo uyakhramlisha nalo ukuthi ke sesiphila ku social media and now ubona i-couple ya social media i-behavior in a certain way bahamba ama-dates bahamba ini then wena ukhanza ukuthi likhiki lakho dimbasha khali awukho sharp awukhona ukufinance lo mjolo wakho ngicabanga ukuthi bese umjolo uyakhramlisha kanjalo
uyakhramlisha and you know nalo ukuthi we are actually all responsible you know one way or the other sisifakile sandla noma siyasifaka sandla you know lokuwenda ukuthi mhlambe our relationships agcina kulesigaba lapho khona akhramlisha you know but you know can we blame civilization can we even blame globalization ngokuthi intuthuko ilethele kulethile cultures and lifestyles from other countries other parts of the world you know let's say isende sakhohlwa kwethu sashintsha you know sakhetha info let's say foreign kithi can we say that
yeah I can I think you know itolo mina nje ngikhumbula itolo lo akadzeni indaba esangathi castable Christmas ngitolo bungathi castable Christmas bekufika infombi lemakhaya ibuye eSouth Africa ikuvakashile mhlawumbe uyisomele infombi bo sikhahle sithi solo uyisoma ingagani and bekunendlela yemjolo kadzeni so nyalo sekujolwa ngaze ngathi hi stranger ka Facebook sesivele thina nawe the next response ngidawuthi hi baby so I think labo social media le civilization yenda ukuthi sale sikhohlwa lokuthi we are Africans and kunema principles la governisha umjolo ngidawubeka isikhathi nalabo femininity kuthiwa yini letinto leti kanjalo letithi you are now leaders nine bosisi kanzi emjolweni kufuna bhuti abe leader so take for instance so ngi-CEO wena emsebenzini wakho mina enkosi yami ngiyihustler nje ngithi ngirana so kwenda lokho ukuthi wena so nengcondo yokuthi because you are able to provide so in a way awusakhoni lokusubmita emvini because I cannot as a lady I cannot provide and submit at the same time so nina seni too empowered for us and thina enkosi yami sibathe siyacosha sekumatima so I think lemphucuko seyiyende kusilemijolo yethu bese asisakhona lokujola kahle
asakhona ngempela you know it also applies you know in cases where njengoba sobalile nje ukuthi nangabe angi-CEO girlfriend or wife angi-CEO umuntu omusha soshadile because we do get married young you know ukhanza ukuthi wena uyirana you know so khanza ukuthi imali atsabalance so khanza ukuthi automatically the wife or the lady becomes the breadwinner ekhaya there's also this case where thina sibosisi sesifuna lama frontal you know asabuka ilithando sesibuka imali you know sekhamba imali lonemali the highest bidder nguye lo tawuhamba naye you know how is also that affected you know the stature of relationships
well I think lenza bayemali mani isilimatile kakhulu in fact ilimate bosisi kakhulu well we are victim as men but ilimate bosisi because you know as a lady from 18 to 25 uba ku peak but after 25 so ya decline kukhanya ukuthi bo solufuna abantu abanemali bofuna ifrontal njani after 25 wena sofuna kuseklisha down wena usayi ukuthi egayi kanjani usebenza kuphi kanjani so lenza bayemali bosisi bayihambisa embili nabase sekupeak because vele ususowe usisi inangi yakhe ngidawuthi nakakhula uba kuphiki vele uyathola umsebenzi uyasebenza apartment so unemoto so I think imali yenda lokho ukuthi bose sibavame kuyifuna ngalesikhathi bakuphiki nase bangale sebabona ukuthi selishonile ilanga so willing, even if ang CEO amani so willing to submit to Jumbo Khumalo lo irana lo ihasla yabo.
True.
So yeah.
Yeah, now, nyalo festive season, it's even worse, you know. I understand, winter, you know, during a hot summer, there's also problems, you know, you know. But now, a festive season specifically, every day is a rush day. Every day is a rush. Every hour is a rush hour, you know. Lomunyu jagalele na jabushito kutosuka bomzala bakalavumisa bete la kalobamba, you know, majaha avela khangeke, you know, kanjalo, you know, bese sekayasoma, you know. But burnout, can we also blame it on burnout? It's been a long year since iniwe. Enabu irana nje, you are hustling all throughout 2024. You know, we are deliver my order, you know, we just want to rest and unwind. You know, can we blame it on burnout?
Well, I think as banda bashakuna na info yokuthi yibona uphuma endlini on a random weekend uphuma endlini you check emajita noma we are somewhere. We see ngiyabuya ngisawende ama bad decisions.
Okay.
I think on mhlambe sikwenda ngeweekend, but on a larger scale, from January to maybe November siyaspusha siyaspana siyasebenta mhlambe uphushe mas December inyanga yema bad decisions.
Sure.
So uthatha ema hasty decision lengondvo kufana nemuntu lo intoxicated with itshwala yabo ukuthi ufuna kuba happy kufuna nje kunema hormones lathi asibe happy sibe munye yabo. So nakufika guy awusabuki nokuthi guy ukanjani uyamgana noma nawe so ku busy in as much as singayi blame le burnout, but mina ngikublame in a way ku eksenini, you know, song is funa kuba happy, make me feel good.
Or maybe you're tired to a point where you feel like anything that makes me happy, you know.
Like it's been a whole things like bokukuningi kupakushelele kuseruch. So December let me forget.
Unwind, let it loose. Ngidle bushabami if you can.
I mean sitawucala kahle kaJanuary sithandaze siphungule tono ta December.
Okay. Interesting, you know. So when we come back, Sekubega Jumbo, now we're looking at, you know, what is it that we can do? You know, yes, we face all these problems, challenges, you know, in relationships, getting into relationships, it can be as hard, you know, but now what is it that we can do? You know, what is it that we need to do? You know, asihleli lana, you know, whoever is watching, young person watching with Sembeti, you know, stakona guti simhlomise, stakona guti simkushise the right way.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Let's take a short break on the program. When we come back, Jumbo, now we're trying to find, you know, a way out of this tough situation, which is the extreme sport of dating. Ungaizao.
I think generally, maybe just to say that building healthy relationships takes a lot of work and effort in general, you know, because there are so many different dynamics to building relationship skills, you know, aspects around communication, shared values, expectations, why we are in relationships, what psychological issues we are bringing into those dynamics, and how do they interact with those of the other. You know, so when we bring into relationships, sometimes they are difficult because of the fact that there is so much effort that takes into building them.
Welcome back from the break. We're still on the program Straight Up, a youth-oriented program. Skule sandzaba tetfu sibandla basha over fire. Skule sathu umlilo ke indzawo lapho khona ebandla abadzala umndeni actually wonke uyahlala axoxa indzaba takatseni bo Christmas festive season. It's time for us to gather around the fire, you know, over brunch or even, you know, over braai as families. But we decided as young people to sit here All thanks to Mlilwane Neswatini TV, kusiniketa a platform to talk about all the topics or even subjects that matter, especially around this time of the year. Sikhulumisa bulukhuni lesibhekana nabo, bulukhuni ema relationships lokhanza ukuthi engakubo. And talking with me today, or my guest today, is Jumbo Khumalo. Jumbo is an MC, he's a host, he's an author, he's founder of Jumbo Festival and Awards. Sikhulumisa yona indzaba efiyada umhla Jumbo. Lenye indzaba lenkulu kuba indzaba ye miscommunication, kuma relationships, but it depends on how you define it, how you term miscommunication or poor communication in a relationship. It's not the time to make all the bad decisions. That's how you called it. But iba poor kanjani communication. Because now be going to Mlilwane, having fun with friends, your close friends. That's communication to me. When is it poor? And how does that affect a relationship?
I think iba poor nangabe lama plans akho lo wendako akangifaki mina ngoba ngathi ipoor kufuna mina nami ngibe involved. Uba happy kanjani ngekho mina as your guy noma ke as your child? Are
you not becoming clingy by doing that? Because sometimes I shouldn't tell you ukuthi ngiyapi, what is so ngishayela nje ukuthi what, I'm at Mlilwane chilling with friends.
Well nalendzaba yokuba clean ihambelana ukuthi in fact kuvame kwentiwa ngini nebosses, if you love a guy you enjoy it when I'm clingy to you.
Okay.
But if lo mjolo unzimzim ngilesikhani ke bese soyeva ukuthi sengiclingy noma ngabe ngunika just a minimum attention but ngidoba clingy because most of the time ikhanza ukuthi nangabe guy udetimbasha uba clingy but nangabe guy unetimbasha Utiwa, he is present.
He is present, yeah, true. As long as his money is there.
Yeah. But in miscommunication, I think, ilaksenini, njengoba kungu-December nje kubhizi kunema-party, kunema-bonus, sinawo lama means of kwenta lama activities a-December. So, lo mjolo ugcina salela ngemuva kuma-priorities ethu a-December. Sifuna kuyonto ama-bad decisions, sinebangani, sifuna kuba busy, so ngiyangikhohlwa ukuthi awukeja ngiyajola senyalala lo awukeja uyajola. So I think kubanga ngilolo ukuthi kule structure noma kule hierarchy yema priorities especially in December umjolo uba segcine ngikukhumbula nje nase mhlawumbe ukuthi awukeja mina ngiyajola.
Yeah. So also bathi ndaso stress siyabanga ukuthi ugcina ukhohlwa what you're responsible for, my responsibilities akho in that particular relationship. We mentioned indzaba ye burnout now. Sesikhathele, we've been through a lot with 2024 running around, how does stress also add on to that or add on to the fire?
Yeah, I think stress noma fatigue yeminyaka ukuthi from January to November bosolusebenta and utsiniwe kunema goals lo watsethela wona ngaJanuary sekufika December solo achieve lokho kuya kwenda ukuthi ube stressed. Now ngikhuluma ngendzaba yokuthi umjolo nawo sometimes kuyendeka ukuthi kwawona nomjolo ube yiproject. So uve ngazuthi kufuna kusasa kuseni ngivuka ngimshayele ngimvusele nasemini kufuna ngimcheck nanthamba makufuna ngithi good night. So kanti vele mina on my own nje personally ngistressed yabona. So kuya add lo ukuthi ngivuka ngazuthi uyathi kuze ngitoti offload asenciphise nangomjolo lo ngangibhadala at least stress semsebenzi siyangiholela. So I think stress wenda affect kancane ema relationships.
True. You might have also experienced the same thing. Umjolo can knock off the best of us. I'm not a Beyonce bakhona ukuthi bamkhithele who are we, right? Who are we, right? So what do we do now? There's different factors that contribute to the crumbling of relationships. Sesikbalile bo burnout is stressy. Attention is say divided because it's nagabangani festive seasons. We just want to unwind and have fun, But what is it that we need to do? How do we fix this now? Ukuthi festive season ingahlukanisi but isihlanganisa.
Okay, I think first things first nje ukuthi we have to not literally every day, but we have to at least once in a while kulo December kule business December let us plan ama activities let us faka thina ukuthi siya kuphi siya Mlilwane siyakhipha out song 2 bangani utawubabona nami ngidawubabona bangani kwenta lo ukuthi you know nasplana something together phinde sibe together kwenda lokuthi le relationship sivele sense of closeness because uyabo nga December vele lomnye ukuphi lomnye ukuphi nawe sowufuna kuye ekhaya but when that into together kuyasita lokuthi le relationship ingabe seyiyakramlisha nalo kunye ukuthi kufuna umthembe partner wakho ukuthi oh baby uyisebanganeni bakhe and usho mbamba lokho usebanganeni bakhe and nawe ke as a spouse or as a soulmate yakhe lesikhana lebanganeni bakhe phela nawe hamba kubakho because the minute yena akubangani bakho akubangani bakhe wena uhleti landlini uWhatsApp udova utaba nesikhathi esiningi sokucaba ukuthi akekho nakubangani vele uyangishitha so nawe yiba busy lesikhana busy naye.
Okay, what about the expectations now? Sikhulumisela indaba yemali ukuthi you know personally we all love money. Nani as guys, you know, you've got not really love but you know imali imqoka kakhulu but it makes life smoother, you know, but you know imali indaba yemali sithini, you know, because nyalo sekunale notion yokuthi nakuthi imali la kule relationship ukuthi into lesingayikhuluma uyabona nangabe nje anganginika imali ye-frontal maybe once in 3 months, you know, kusho ukuthi uthando kude lapho indzaba yemali sithini. How do we still, you know, be in a relationship sane and everything moves even if imali ingasiyo i-factor lenkulu?
Well, I have so many advices around money in as much as relationships are concerned, but ndawucala ngekuthi advice to my guys nje ukuthi in as much as imali imcoka but there is a trick lengi observile mina ukuthi bosisi even the perception that you have money works. Even the perception yabona if they perceive ukuthi umoney even if atase sisinaka ngena kulomjolo ajole nawe akhanze so utele imali but the fact that ngijola na Jumbo le umhlaba ucaba usunemali it works like perfectly like uvele uyamnika le mali uma nganjumba akakuniki le mali ukunika malini but lo sinje ngijola na Jumbo lokucaba una so at least nangaba ukhona lokuthola le mali as a guy at least iyakha ngele perception build le perception yokuthi unemali. Then number 2 advice yami yesibili ukuthi you know as a guy you need to know where you are in terms of ema finances zakho. If you are a guy leku bracket ya 100 rand so i-advice yami ithi jola nasi silok bracket ya 30 rand because you automatically you will be the moneyed guy when uhola 100 rand yena. So the challenge lesiba nayo sine majita sithi sik bracket income bracket ya 100 rand ufune sisilok bracket ya 100 rand afford already losses. So imali iba irrelevant when Jumbo asukile ahlala la kalobamba wasuka wale kahlohlingwe wojana sisilong that's nangimphathe 20 rand I appreciate
abonga gangana
but awukhala ngekimali hey boss sibafuna imali mina ngiqinisile nginemfati lo appreciate. So I think in as much as imali imcoka but we need to understand la my dynamics ukuthi once wasukela silohola kakhulu kunawe in as much as angeke ayifune le mali yakho because uhola kakhulu but yena vele utayifuna lelencane le incane kuye but kuye inkulu 100 rand ngongisendele 100 rand wa petrol wena 100 rand wagesa kusiwa petrol.
Okay, now in general sesifikile eminyakeni lomusha sesik 2025 sesiwasethile lama goals ukuthi you know what mina in the next 6 months this is what I hope to achieve ku relationship ngifuna umuntu lo kanjela lo kanje but kulesikhathi lesisiphila kiso how do we move around the whole relationships, you know, a situation, you know, do we just pick anyone based on looks, based on, you know, how I feel about this person? My feelings hamba pele, you know, how do you sustain the relationship in? But, you know, what are some of the pointers? You know what? These are some of the key things maybe that you should be looking out for.
I think njengoba ngishito nje ukuthi you know it is very difficult to change a person. It is much easier and lento le ivame kwentwa bosisi but nathi thina bobhodi singakwenda it is easier lo ukuthi uthole vele umuntu lona le character loyifunako. So it goes back to i-background yakho ukuthi nangabe une character uyahlonipha unema ethics akwendeki nje nithi naniqabene uve nje ngcinge enhlamba. So kufuna niqale nini la ku talking stage noma la flirting stage ubuke uhlumkwatisa nje ubuke naka sekugcineni against the wall ukuthi ukwata kanjani because vele sizokwatisa nakula ma relationship. So I think ema pointers ngido ukuthi thola vele lolona character wafundziswe ekhaya ungamfundzisi character seyila then bengikhuluma ngabosisi ukuthi bosisi what they do abamfuni guy losaya ku finish line losasa alamkhathini bamela bayale finish line bamele asamaniti asasebenta bafike bapick the winner yabo so they don't build us
yabo
and that's a good pop they build and it's okay so nathi as guys we need to feel like surprise asime la finish line uthole esisihlosebendako nalo nenkambo wafuna kumshintsha lo ndewe ngekashintsha
sho singalawe magaba we're challenging ourselves as young people ukuthi you know what let's work hard sonke sifikele ku finish line stokhona kukhethana kahle
please
finish line ngoba basinale mali yakwenda ukuthi ubone tinvo kahle kuba ngathi ufake isibuko kani cha imali
now nemali uba nema options empilweni even outside the relationship now nemali uba nema
options nemlungu nje uyatitela so
uqinisile lokuthi mina ngiva ngazuthi let us work you know bengisithi ekuqaleni you don't have to make your relationship your number one project ayibe la ngemuva so chase your goals chase your whatever emsebenzini ema promotion whatever lokwenda ngomsebenzini once waba managed as a guy umjolo uba nema choices ungashada ngisho na Miss Eswatini because you are money nani as ladies if you are going to develop yourself or develop your womanness your femininity because in as much as we want ukuthi nani nibe ntisastain nibe nemali but we want the softies in you niyakhohlwa nini enti develop emsebenzini ban promote ngithunga ama friends and singeti imoto that's fine but remember to develop your softness we want to feel the submission ukuthi nangikuthethisa uvele wehle
Jumbo it's been good you know I wish we had an hour long you know our conversation is interesting you know hopefully sitakhona sisihlangane futhi ngalinye ilanga siqhubeke nayo conversation yethu it's so wide and interesting you know manje uthi umlethaneni mamkhulu omncane dambilwane
bayabuye bebakhona kuJumbo Festival the next time I'm here I will
bring right make sure that you do that
okay
thank you so much for joining us today
ngibonga nakubantu labasha emakhaya
yes babukeli emakhaya babukeli eSATN TV babukeli behlelo straight up September uthi i-festive season iphethe kahle it's been a beautiful time today a beautiful conversation lesibe nayo na Jumbo Khumalo ngiyathemba ukuthi ukhonile ukuthi ulalele uve ukuthi sicaba kanjani sibantu labasha and hopefully we'll have umlomdzala takhona usasichushisa sihlomise ke manje ukuthi where do we go from here bende njani bona phambilini bake baba bancane baba basha you know bakhona njani ukuthi bece noma benge kutoletinye tetingcinamba lesibhekana nato kuma relationships ikakhulu nyalo nge-festive season kulukhuni umjolo ulukhuni it has become an extreme sport sibonga kakhulu ke ukuthi lihlelo libe khona sibonga kakhulu kwecala eSwatini TV for giving us this platform as young people asikutsebeseli asikhobosi logo and thank you so much also to Mlilwane Wildlife Sanctuary you know especially big game parks kusinika nayo i-platform lefana nale indzawo lefana lena ukuthi sihlale phansi sikhulume sibantu labasha and of course over fire siyahamba ehleni sitabuya next time sikhulumisa lenye inkinga mhlambe ingcinamba lesibhekana nayo sibantu labasha otherwise from me no Peter Masangane the Trailblazer goodbye